Good day, my viewers. Welcome back to my tutor, which is Mubak. Today, they are giving us a problem to solve under mathematics, which is differentiation. They say a parabola has a parametric equations x equal to t square, y equal to 2t. Evaluate dy dx when t equal to 0.5. I shall know that this question came for differentiation, but we use for what? This type of what? Application for what? Application for differentiation, which is what? Parametric equation. Solution to the before I will move on, I would like to beg you to subscribe or to follow this page. Therefore, let us move on to the problem given to us. Solution. They say a parabola has a parametric equation x. Let us write the apparatus out. X equal to what? X equal to t square and what? Y equal to 2t. Evaluate dy dx when t equal to 0.5. As you already know that this question came for what? Differentiation. Let us use the general formula to let us apply the general formula to it, which is what? Nx raised to power n minus 1. But here we doesn't have what? We doesn't have x. Only what? Let us substitute instead x. Let us substitute it as what? Let us change it as what? T. But this is the real general formula as usual, which is what? Usually what? X and y is also common in mathematics. That reason why they put x as what? As the constant. But we can change this in case of this, which let us change it to what? Instead of t, let us change it instead of x, let us change it to what? T, which is what? Nt raised to power what? N minus 1. Our n is what? Is power. So if we want to differentiate using this general formula, our n will change to what? Our power will change to base. Let us look at the what? This first apparatus, which is what? S equal to what? T squared. Let us differentiate it by what? The x, which value is inside? The t equal to what? T squared. As I was saying already, that what? Our power will change to what? Our power will change to what? We come down, we change to what? To base, and we subtract from the what? From the power. Also the same thing as what? The x all over the t equal to what? 2 times t raised to power what? 2 minus 1 as the what? As the formula goes on. Also the same thing as what? The x all over the t equal to what? 2t 2 minus 1 will give us what? 1. Also the same thing as what? The x all over the t now equal to what? 2t. We are get the value for what? The x all over the t. Remain what? The y equal to 2t. Let us also use this what? Use this general formula for it. We say that what? The y all over what? And we say that what? Nt raised to power n minus 1. Let us use as what? As you use for this first apparatus. Let us use as what? As second apparatus. By differentiating it by what? The y all over the what? Which value is inside? T all over the t equal to what? 2t. Let us differentiate it. But in this case, we doesn't have what? We doesn't have power. But the t have what? Half power what? Which is what? 1. That is to say that what? Any number raised to power 1 equal to what? Equal to that number. And so because of this, our t raised to power what? Raised to power 1, but what? It is invisible. Since what? Any number raised to power 1 equal to what? Equal to that number. Also the same thing as well. The y over the x now equal to what? And also our power we what? We come down. Let us write it like this. Equal to what? 2 times what? Times, don't forget that what? This one and this t. Let us write it like this. 2t raised to power 1. So now let this power change to what? Let this power change to base. The y all over the t now equal to what? 2 times 1 times t raised to power what? Times 1 minus 1 from this general formula. And also the same thing as well. The y all over the t equal to what? 2 times 1 will be giving us what? 2 times what? Times t will be giving us what? T. 1 minus 1 will be giving us what? 0. And don't forget, any number raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. Any value raised to power 0 is also what? Is also 1. And let's bring it back from 0 log, from the indices. Let's bring it back here that what? T raised to power 0, it will be equal to what? It will be equal to 0. The y all over the t now equal to what? 2 times what? T raised to power 0 is what? It will be giving us what? 1 from the 0 log. And also the same thing as what? The y all over the t. The y all over the t now be equal to what? Equal to 2. Let's write it like this. The y all over the t to be equal to what? To be equal to 2. This dot in differentiation, you doesn't write multiplication like this. Dot represents what? Dot represents multiplication. So some of you may be think I write what? 21. It's not 21. It's what? 2 times 1 in differentiation. So don't forget they are telling us to evaluate the y the x when t equal to 0.5. Let us evaluate the y the x when t equal to 0.5. So since we are getting the file for the y and the x all over the t and what the y over the t. So the y now all over the x now to be equal to what? The y all over the t long division divided by what? Divided by the x all over the t. This is what? This is the formula for what? Formula for parametric equation. This is the formula for parametric equation. The y all over the x equal to what? The y all over the t long division the x all over the t. So let us substitute the value to it. The y all over the x now equal to what? What is our dy all over the t? Our dy all over the t is what? 2 divided by what? What is our dx all over the t? Our dx all over the t equal to what? 2t. And also equal to what? Equal to what? 2 all over 2t. 2 here what? 1. 2 here what? 1. Equal to what? 1 all over t. Our dy all over the x now equal to what? 1 all over t. But don't forget when t equal to what? 0.5. When t equal to what? 0.5. So let us substitute what? The value whenever we receive t, let us substitute to it. The y all over the x now equal to what? 1 all over 0.5. So if you press in your calculator and also in this way, 1 all over 0.5 giving us what? Giving us what? 2. And also the same thing, the y all over the x now equal to what? It's not the same. The y all over the x now equal to what? 2. This is our final answer we get for what? We get for the parametric equation. And also don't forget to subscribe or to follow this page. Thanks for watching. God bless you.